Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to link your Amazon Prime to your Twitch account and get rewards. This connection unlocks exclusive in-game loot, free channel subscriptions, and other perks that Prime members can claim monthly, so it's definitely worth setting up. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to twitch.tv. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Twitch homepage where you can start managing your account settings. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Twitch account. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find different tabs for managing your account. Click on Connections. This section is specifically designed for linking third-party accounts and services to your Twitch profile, which is exactly what we need to do to connect Amazon Prime. In the Connections page, scroll through the available options until you locate Amazon Prime membership. You'll see it listed among other services you can connect. Right beside it, there's a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click that button. This action initiates the linking process between your Twitch and Amazon Prime accounts. After clicking Connect, a new window will pop up asking you to confirm the connection. This is a security measure to ensure you actually want to link these accounts together. Simply click Confirm in this window to finalize the process. Once you do this, your Amazon Prime account will be successfully linked to Twitch, and you'll immediately gain access to Prime gaming benefits. And that's it. You've now linked your Amazon Prime to your Twitch account and unlocked all those exclusive rewards and perks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.